Welcome to this video, where we'll explore one of the most powerful features in Premake vsprops. If you're a game developer or work on large-scale projects, chances are you've encountered complex build configurations and struggled to manage them efficiently. That's where vsprops comes in, a versatile tool that simplifies your workflow and streamlines your build process. In this video, we'll delve into the world of vsprops, covering what they are, how to use them effectively, and the benefits they bring to your project. By the end of this discussion, you'll have a solid understanding of how vsprops can revolutionize the way you manage configurations in Premake. So, let's start with the basics. What exactly are vsprops in simple terms? vsprops is a system that allows you to define and manage different build configurations for your project. Think of it like having multiple profiles or presets for your build settings, each profile tailored to specific needs or environments. One of the key benefits of using vsprops is its flexibility. You can create as many configurations as needed, from debug builds for testing purposes to optimized release versions for distribution. This means you can fine-tune every aspect of your project's build process without having to manually edit files or remember complex command line arguments each time. But how do you actually use vsprops in Premake? The process is straightforward. You start by defining your configurations within a special file where you specify the settings for each profile. This can include anything from compiler flags and optimization levels to include paths and library dependencies. Once defined, these profiles are easily accessible through Premake's command line interface, or even directly from within your IDE, if it supports vsprops integration. The beauty of this system is that it automates much of the tedious work involved in managing different build configurations, saving you time and reducing error. To illustrate just how powerful this can be, let's consider an example. Imagine you're working on a cross-platform game project that needs to be compiled for both Windows and macOS. Without vsprops, you'd have to manually adjust your build settings each time you switch platforms, which is not only cumbersome but also prone to mistakes. With vsprops, however, you can create separate profiles for each platform, including the necessary compiler flags, library dependencies, and even custom scripts for post-build processing. This way, switching between builds becomes as simple as selecting a different profile, ensuring that your project is always configured correctly without any manual intervention. Before we wrap up, let's summarize the key points about using vsprops in Premake. vsprops allows you to define and manage multiple build configurations for your project. It simplifies the build process by automating much of the work involved in managing different settings. You can create profiles tailored to specific needs or environments, including debug builds and optimized release versions. vsprops supports cross-platform development with ease, making it an indispensable tool for large-scale projects. That's all for today's video on using vsprops in Premake. We hope this explanation has given you a solid understanding of how this powerful feature can transform your workflow and make managing build configurations a breeze. If you have any questions or would like to share your experiences with vsprops, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and consider subscribing for more in-depth tutorials and insights on game development and software engineering topics. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.